accommodate the Filipinos who are in need of help. I will assume the full responsibility of paying you pagdating ng panahon. I will see to it that I will ask Congress. I will plead sa kanila na hanapan ng paraan, bayaran kayo. And I will personally see to it that you are paid on time. This would include siguro meals, but simple lang. Kagaya dito, I recommend the menu dito sa Malacañang. Dito magkain ka, isang sabaw, isang ulam, pati kanin. Hanggang dyan lang ang makuha mo dito na pagkain. I do not